welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do a get ready with me. Let me take this gum out. Hold up. My bad. Okay, so as you can read from the title, I'm gonna do a get ready with me. Sorry my spirits are kind of down. Been going through a lot, you know what I'm saying, so I'm gonna talk to y'all about it. So I'm gonna start with my little makeup. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing, so don't even come for me, but and some other stuff just happened yesterday. It's just a lot. It's just really a lot, and I'm trying to stay positive, and I know it's just the devil testing my family right now. So I just need to breathe and relax and just know that it's gonna work out. Everything's gonna work out. But I might have to end up moving. Like, I might have to end up leaving this house and moving. And I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that, because we done moved maybe 4 times already since moving to Texas, because I'm originally from Atlanta, Georgia, if you didn't know. So I'm just tired of moving. I just want to be settled in something. But it's also my fault because I'm not working right now. Like, I'm not helping my parents out, and that kills me. It's something that pisses me off. You know what I'm saying? I'm 23 and I feel like I'm mooching off my parents. But I'm ready for a career, and that's why I really haven't been like trying to jump into anything, because my last job was just horrible for me. It was so toxic, so negative, so just stressful, and I just don't want to go back into something stressful. But I'm going to get a job. It's like, it has to happen. I can't keep doing this. I can't keep seeing them struggle, seeing them stressed out. I can't. So gotta figure that out. And then I'm trying to do school, but I don't think I can pay for it right now. So y'all just pray for me and my family and my sanity and my depression. Just pray for all of that, y'all, because I'm stressed out. And on top of that, like, I lost my best friend, like, and it's crazy because we ain't been together that long, but I'm a Sagittarius. I move fast. I know what I want, and I go for what I want, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not about to go for somebody that don't want me, you know what I'm saying? Yes, my eyes are dark as hell, but if you want to know more about that, I have a video up. It's called I broke out allergies or something like that. You'll see. I'll tag it in here. But yeah. So like I said, I don't know what I'm doing with this makeup shit, but I don't like to have my eyes so dark all the time. So that's why I'm trying to cover them up a little bit, and then I want to film another video after this, so I'm trying to look a little decent. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to look a little decent even though I feel like shit. So yeah, if y'all going through anything, or y'all feel depressed, or anxiety is kicking in, or y'all have like seasonal depression, just pray. I know some people don't believe in that, but just pray and talk to somebody, please. I have a hard time with talking to people because I don't like to put my drama, my issues on somebody else. So, but you have to talk because it's gonna drive you crazy. Definitely if you like me. But yeah, I look a hot mess. I know I look so different. But yeah, so I'm just trying to stay afloat and be the backbone for my family right now, because they're going through it. So yeah, yeah. Does that look like it's all blended in? My hair is straight underneath here, y'all, so y'all gonna see me take this bonnet off. But yeah, so let's talk back on YouTube and what I really want this channel, or what I want to do with YouTube. I want to just have fun. I don't want this to be like a stressor. I'm gonna spray this on there. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but I feel like it's drying and I hate that feeling, because it's pretty much all I do. Just cover up them damn eyes and put some little eyebrows on, which I feel like I'm getting sick. I'm sorry. Which I don't really know if I did that right. Y'all let me know down below. Ooh. I mean, if it's good enough for me. I ain't really going nowhere. I'm just filming videos, you know. But yeah, so I just want to have fun. I want to have an outlet. I want to talk when I'm stressing out or when I'm going through something. So, hold on. Let me get my chaps this one. But yeah, so that's really why I made it. And then I want to start my own business, like I guess online, because I don't know other way. So I feel like if I can get comfortable doing this, I'll be comfortable, you know, starting something like that. I don't know exactly what's my niche with YouTube. I don't know what I really want to focus on. So that's going to be another thing I need to figure out. But for right now, I just came to talk and just to vent and just to let everything out. I'm just sorry that my energy is just like off right now. It's like everything just happened at once. But I had this feeling. I had this panic, like, I don't know if it's a panic attack, but I had like, I just kept feeling like right after Kobe passed away, I kept having this feeling like something bad is about to happen. I'm about to take this bonnet off. I can't, look at this, y'all. hot mess. But yeah, I kept having this feeling like something bad is about to happen to my family, or somebody's about to pass away. Like, I just did not know exactly what was going on. And that runs in my family. Like, we have that intuition. Like, we have that feeling. I don't know if it's called psychic. I don't know all that, but we just know when something isn't right. You know what I'm saying? And I never thought it would be all of this. And truthfully, I really just thought somebody had passed away or is about to pass away, which is horrible, which I probably wouldn't be able to take, but I don't know. I feel like at this point, anything is better than, like, being dumped and just feeling like you did something wrong. I'm that type of person that puts everything on me. I feel like I'm the problem. So, I know I just went straight into just talking. I just really needed to talk. But yeah, so my channel been moving up a little bit. I know I can do better. One of these videos is just gonna flourish. I already know. I feel like with YouTube, you gotta stay positive. You just gotta stay positive. Okay, so I'm doing a half up type of stuff. Cause I'm telling y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't do this. So, but I want to try different stuff in life, you know? So I'm gonna put this on there. Make it tight. See, this is curled up over the night, so got my little hot curls, flat irons, whatever you call it. I got those from Groupon a long time ago. And then I think I'm gonna, let me pull this up so y'all can see. I see Tupac in the back. I just like him over my bed. I don't know why. I just want to straighten this piece out. Oh, another reason why I haven't been posting is because my damn storage on my phone has been tripping. Look at that, y'all. What the hell did I just do? Just had to do all of it. I guess the little bend is okay, you know. So if this cuts off, you know why. Freaking storage. See, I don't know. I guess it don't look too bad. I'm gonna go to the back and come back. This is just some content, y'all. This ain't no damn fucking do my hair with me. Cause I don't know. And I feel like my face looks so ashy and ugh. It's okay. It's okay, Ashley. You're fine. Shit, that's hot. So yeah, y'all give me some advice when it comes to YouTube, when it comes to breakups. This breakup hasn't hit me that hard. And I'm scared to think that it's because I don't feel like it's over. Because he still wants to talk to me when he gets back, and I don't know how I feel about that. Like, you know, I kind of want to know what's up. I feel like I'm telling y'all a lot, but I'm not really telling y'all a lot, if that makes sense. Y'all don't know who I'm talking about. Y'all know all that stuff. My hair is real. When I straighten this shit, I'm telling you, it's so silky. It scares me because I be thinking something's wrong. I don't know if this ain't hot enough. You see all that smoke? Maybe it's too fucking hot. Okay. Just leave that alone for a second. But yeah, so my next video I plan on doing today is shit, hold up. I'm not good with this hand. Is It's a get to know me, or like 10 questions I'm gonna answer about myself. And that's gonna be like my main video on my little page, so like when people click on my channel, they'll see that. So it's kind of what I'm trying to get a little decent. But yeah, y'all just pray for me. This ain't the first time shit like this has happened to me or my family, so we're gonna be okay. We just have to stay. I think you're supposed to spray this. This is what I'm about to do. Ooh, that burn. We just gotta stay humbled and stay focused and get back to what we know. Okay. But this is the best it's gonna get, y'all. We trimmed my hair because, baby, when you've been natural for so long and curly head for so long, you get some bad split ends and shit. So, but yeah. Thank y'all for. Look it. This is how good it's gonna get. I'm gonna take my glasses off. But yeah. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for listening to me vent a little bit. I know it's kind of rushed. I just don't want my phone to run out of storage. But yeah, let me do a little thumbnail. Let me see. So much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe to me. I'm just trying to live life and freaking figure out what I'm gonna do with my life. So come along with the journey with me, and thank y'all again. Bye.